Hi, Gail.
Hello po.
Two-time na. Won it in season 97, now in season 99. Potentially her final match in the NCAA. Okay, Gail. Una muna, finals MVP. Pinakita mo sa amin yung tunay mong laro dito sa finals. Anong naglalaro sa isip mo papunta dito sa series na to? Kasi syempre, baka huli mo na dito sa NCAA. Sige, paano mo in-approach yan?
Same pa rin naman as last year. And natutuwa ako kasi yung mga teammates ko, nag-improve talaga sila. Then, mas naging madali para sa amin na as a team talaga kami naglalaro ngayon compared last season. So yun, nandito lang naman ako palagi para sa kanila.
Eto na ba talaga ang huling season?
Yes. Last na talaga
Last na
to.
talaga. Okay, wala na. Hindi na natin mapipilit. But you know, what a way to exit for you. Talk about the three-peat championship. You started this season 97, 98, and 99. Okay, how sweet is it to exit as a champion dito sa NC?
Masaya siya, syempre, kasi since first year, yun na talaga yung plan ni Coach Jerry na kunin namin yung championship hanggang makagraduate kami. And okay siya na natupad naman namin ngayon.
Oh, very nonchalant itong team na to. Tsaka, you know, they're used to success, but of course, they're emotional still. Balikan natin yung naging journey mo dito sa NCAA. We saw a preview of what you can do way back season 95 when you were 7-0 elimination round. Unfortunately, it was cut short. Nag-pandemic tayo. Pagkatapos nun, talk about your journey here in the NCAA at paano ka nag-grow as a person and as a player.
So, ayun, sila din naman, yung mga teammates ko, super eager nilang bumalik nung season 97 kasi nga 7-0 na, tapos bigla pang na-cut. So, nung season 97, eager talaga kami bumalik nun na kunin yung championship that time.
And now, three straight championships after. Ito na po si Gail Pascual, also a two-time finals MVP. Gail, nanonood lahat ng mga supporters mo ngayon. Ang daming pumunta dito sa Philoil Eco Oil. Your message to them.
Thank you po sa Binil community for always supporting us, kay Tito Frank, sa family ko sa Bulacan, kay Mama Judith, kay Mama Glenn. Thank you po.
One of the most powerful spikers we've ever seen in the NCAA. Congratulations, Gail Pascual.
Thank you po.
Yan, oh, di ba? Congrats, Gail. It's another hardware again. Finals MVP. She had 15 points today.